Well, hello there, YouTube. I am gonna go for a ride. I spent all day mowing, weed eating, and edging all day. I started at 9 a.m. Just finished up. I didn't eat anything until like 5 p.m. Nothing. But I had a leak. I put a soft rubber hose to the water, and it just kind of, so I went to Lowe's and I got the right kind of hose for that. So I love my fridge here because I get ice water. I fill it up with ice water, ice and water, and I gotta close this. My garage shop's still a mess. I haven't organized it yet. Getting there. But this yard, a neighbor across the street mowed his yards in probably 30 minutes, and here I'm going all day. You can see why. Look at all these trees. I got a weed eat, and I can't get my zero turn in between all these trees, so I got to weed eat every single tree, and I edged, and that's a chore. The first time I edged, because I had to cut off sod that kind of overlapped the concrete, so hopefully that won't be that big of a deal anymore. But I'll take my circle drive. I did all the yards looking good. I got a big leak in the sprinkler back there, so Robert's coming tomorrow to fix my leak. That's probably why my backyard flooded. It's just kind of bubbling up. Just, I don't know, it's not even the sprinkler. It's just part of the there's got to be a broken pipe or something in there, but it's shooting straight up. Look at it. Yeah. Oh, he mowed his grass today and got done, and I was still going 6 hours, 7 hours after he got done. Go for a ride though. I took a shower. Man, I sweat. I don't even drink beer, but I sweat out a lot of water. So that's why I keep water. It'll probably spill on me. I got my clear shield on. Just sun's gonna go down a little bit. I might go over to Royce City. I want to get our landscape guy is just fantastic. He's just busy, and he did all of our landscaping and grass. I really appreciate him. So I'm gonna go get him a gift certificate for this Mexican restaurant that we saw him at one time, so he can take his whole family out. He's got 4 kids. It's still hot out. 91 still. Crap. Well, it's still pretty warm out. It's 90 now. I don't know why I do yard work when it's really the hottest day of the year. Well, not year, it's summer, I guess. Well, it's really not summer, but it's in the 90s already. Well, no hill country anymore up here. I'm on 1565. It feels good to get out and ride though. I've been taking the weekends off. Just never had a weekend off in probably 15 years, except during the summer. I'm taking it now. I got so much work to do at home. The yard takes me like 8 hours. And I don't even have the 1 acre cleared out in the back yet. It's just the front. And the backyard, I got clear out another acre in the back all the way to the creek, and I'm not doing that. I'm gonna have to hire somebody to do that. But it's gonna be huge. And then I gotta clear out the side. I'll clear out the side by my other neighbor. It's a mess, and I cut down 4 trees in the front, and I got about 4 or 5 more to cut down. The little bitty ones that can't grow up because they're underneath other trees, I'm just taking them down. And I cut off a lot of dead branches too. So God, I worked all day yesterday. I worked till I drop. But it's got to get done. Someday, I told my wife, she's at our old house in the Austin area, getting it ready. I told her someday we'll both be able to sit down and relax and not work all day on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and then work Monday through Friday. Someday we'll get to relax.